48-year-old woman among 5 COVID deaths, 23 more new cases recorded in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica recorded 23 COVID cases over the past 24-hour period up to Friday afternoon. 5 COVID-19 deaths were recorded in August 2021, were added to Friday's, bringing the total number of corona cases that total in Jamaica to 2,863. A 43-year-old woman from St. James is among the latest recorded fatalities. The separate death of one COVID-19 patient has been classified as coincidental. There were 137 recoveries on the day, bringing the total tally to 80,112. The newly confirmed COVID-19 cases brought the total number on record for the island to 128,500. Notably, Jamaica recorded 3.3% positivity rate based on samples that were tested on Friday. Of the newly confirmed cases, 15 are males, 8 are females with age ranging from 3 to 8 years old. The case count was made up of St. James with 6, Kingston and St. Andrew with 6, Westmoreland with 4, St. Catherine with 2, Hanover with 2, Manchester with 1, St. Anne with 1, and St. Elizabeth with also 1. There are 8 moderately ill patients, 4 severely ill patients, 2 critically ill patients among the 279 active cases now under observation in Jamaica. A total number of 49 COVID patients are now hospitalized locally. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.